Opening scene, friendly, energetic tone. Hello and welcome. Welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language, your simple and smart way to learn French. Today, we are learning one of the most important verbs in French, être, which means to be in English, and how to use it in the Passé Composé, that is, the past tense. This lesson is designed for beginners and school-level students with an easy step-by-step approach. Section 1. Quick explanation. In French, the Passé Composé is formed with two parts, an auxiliary verb and a past participle. For être, the auxiliary is avoir, and its past participle is été. So the formula is subject plus avoir, present plus été. Section 2. Conjugation examples with English meaning. Let's look at examples for each subject pronoun. I have been / I was j'ai été. You have been / you were tu was été. He / she has been / was il / elle était. We have been / we were nous avons été. You have been / you were formal / plural. Vous avez été. They have been / they were ils / elles ont été. Notice how only avoir changes with the subject. Été stays the same. Section 3. Live usage examples in daily life. Now, let's use être in real-life sentences. Yesterday, I was at school.
Hier, j'ai été à l'école.
You were sick last week.
Tu as été malade la semaine dernière.
He was in France for a month.
Il a été en France pendant un mois.
We were very busy yesterday.
Nous avons été très occupés hier.
You were very kind to me.
Vous avez été très gentil avec moi.
They were at the cinema on Saturday.
Elles ont été au cinéma samedi.
Isn't it simple? With just avoir plus été, you can talk about your past experiences easily in French. Section 4. Tips and motivation. Practice these examples with your own sentences. For instance, think of where you were yesterday and say it in French using j'ai été or nous avons été. Section 5. Call to action and scene. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Smart Learning Foreign Language to get regular updates on French lessons. Also, don't forget to check the description below for the best absolutely free Frenchy courses, including Eiffel Excellence, Learn French in 30 Days, and Bonjour Basics, a must-have ebook for school-level French learners, ICSE, CBSE, and international curriculum. Thank you very much for watching. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, and see you soon.